Automatic is a startup that envisioned a product with an undisclosed name, aiming to create a unique and intuitive marketplace for everything automotive. From a conceptual standpoint, the goal was to manufacture an innovative platform that would act as a marketplace between car owners looking for automotive services and service providers that would enlist their services on the platform. On one side of the spectrum, the car owners would use Automatic in order to create a profile for their vehicles and gain access to an exhaustive range of automotive services. Any service consumed through the platform would be recorded on the vehicle's unique profile in order to keep track of its full maintenance history. On the other side of the spectrum, service providers such as repair shops, paint shops, tire shops, part shops, car retailers, insurance companies, or even towing companies would benefit from Automatic's innovative process execution algorithm in order to receive and process service orders efficiently under strict conditions. Technically speaking, the challenge was to collaborate in providing custom software development services for developing a multi-actor software system composed of an SPA and a mobile hybrid application as clients that would consume a suite of scalable microservices hosted on a cloud infrastructure. As a result, the project has been delivered on time and has been accepted by European Union allocated auditors. At present, the platform is currently running on its deserved market in order to collect feedback.